to Gamblebee Slots. Today we have a 5 in a row ticket, $2 Miss Pac-Man. Can we find a win today? Are we that lucky today? Alright, so let's go. 5 tickets from the same book. Started with ticket 65 through ticket 69. Alright, we'll start off with 65. See if I had that close enough. I'm not seeing it. Okay, alright. To win here, well, this is a simple hunt. We wanted a ghost or the Pac-Man. And of course, who doesn't like to have a multiplier 2x, 5x? Here we go. Symbol hunt. We could win up to $30,000. We have a dice, a ring, a key, a rainbow, and a volt. That's not a winning symbol. A daisy, purse, pot of gold, a crown, and last one here, piggy bank. Alright, 65 is not a winner. Let's go on 66. Let's go. Let's go straight line. Straight line. We got key, dice, pineapple, butterfly, and a heart. Next row. Boom! It says winner. We found a ghost, guys. Second ticket. We found a ghost. Let's see how much is hiding. Are we gonna get any more? No, that's it. Let's go. Looks like boom. Ticket, money back, $2. We'll take anything. Thank you. That's a winner. Okay. This session is not a bokia. Bokia meaning Zippo zero losing session. Here we go. Let's see if I can make it a little bigger. Here we go. Trophy. Daisy. A star. Come on. Winning symbol. A heart. What about down here? Are we gonna find another win? Boom! Winner, winner. Chicken dinner. Third ticket, guys. Are we gonna get any more? Last spot, a vase. Okay, how much are we getting here? Yahoo! It's a $4 win. It doubled up a ticket. $4 win here. Yes, yes, that's a profit on this ticket. All right, two more tickets to go. This is number 68. Are we gonna find any more winning symbols? Why don't you give us a Pac-Man? Pot of gold. Come on, Miss Pac-Man. Be nice. A star. Last row. A rainbow. Piggy bank. A vase. Pineapple. Last spot. Oops. Boom! Wow! Back to back. Another winner. Another ghost. What are we getting? Hey guys, another ticket. Chaka-laka-laka. Boom. Another ticket. Come on. We'll take anything. So now we're update. Two tickets and a $4. That's an $8 on a $10 session. Not bad. We'll take it. Alright. So far, 5 in a row ticket works. Let's go. Last one. Are we gonna get another win? Daisy, rainbow, star. If you guys notice, all the winnings are on the second row. Are we gonna get more winning symbols? Okay, last two spots. Alright, nada. Okay guys, that's not a bad session. We'll take it. Ticket 69 is nothing. Ticket 65 is nothing, but we found a win on ticket 66, $2 ticket. We got the ghost. 67, a $4 win on another ghost, and ticket 68, another ghost. That's an $8 out of 10. We'll take that. 5 in a row works this time. Alright guys, thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next session. Gamblebee Slots. Cheers. Be kind to everyone.